Hello, welcome to my channel. This video, I'll be covering my weekly updates for the week ending 9 June 2023 on what's hot in investing in this part of the world, which is Asia, basically more into China, Hong Kong, Singapore. I'll be covering key news which will have impact on stock performance and be looking into one stock, CS1 stock that might be interesting with the news development. Remember to click the thumbs up, like button now so that YouTube can push this video out to more people. I'll be discussing two stocks once the channel reaches a 10,000 subscriber milestones, and I really needed your support. Now let's take a look at the first news. Nvidia Chief Huang skipped China despite a highly anticipated and supposedly pre-planned visit. I think this is a very important implication to look into Nvidia, especially when the stock is right now at the sky high prices. According to China Passenger Car Association, China now accounts for 60% of world NEV sales. Now, if you take a look at this piece of news with the next piece of news, and that's China launched a nationwide car purchase campaign, then one stock that came to my mind would be BYD. Okay, we're going to take a look into BYD later on. China's first domestic luxury liner left its stock. Ship would be delivered at the end of this year after sea trials. And if you're interested, Singapore listed Yangzijiang YZJ. China-Australia trade jumped 20% for the period January-May this year. And of course, Aussie is quite strong since the start of this year, and China banks cut rates on US deposit. Then probably implication on US dollar movement. With this, let's take a look into the first stocks, and that would be BYD. Let's take a look into BYD here, upsloping trend line, which means that as long as BYD is still holding above this trend line, the stock is still in its upward movement. But one thing to mention, it is not moving in this escalating uptrend here. We are seeing potentially a pattern here. I think that it might be easier to see this pattern on a line chart. So let me just switch this to a line chart. Right, and I'm not sure whether you see the same pattern as what I'm seeing here, but basically there might be a cup and a small little handle here. Now if you flip that to the day chart, I'm sure we can see a small little handle coming in again here. So let's take a look at the day chart. So that's the small little handle. Whatever it is, price will only be seeing some technical movement if price can move above this cup and handle neckline. So BYD is in this very critical neckline here. With all the positive news, I'm expecting that BYD must go up. Okay, but if it doesn't move up, then this line here, which is the neckline, could be posing as a resistance for BYD. I hope that with all the positive news in China, this could BYD surge higher. Right. In any case, that if BYD can move higher, then of course the key resistance level, which is the key strong level here, would be somewhere around that high point, which is around 320. To miss out another one more sub high point here, and that will be at this level here, which would be around 280. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up so that we can move to the next milestone.